Ooh, this is a good thumbnail. And action. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's Nadia back at it again with another video. So today guys, I have a really exciting announcement slash, I don't think it's really an announcement because I've already published this, but I wanted to make a video because I recently took a risk, took a leap of faith, and I started my own candle/scent business, and I'm so excited. I wanted to make a video about the process, how I came up with the idea, what you need to start your own e-commerce business, and just everything I've done so far. I hope you guys enjoy this video and find some information out of it. If you have any questions, of course leave them down below if I didn't cover anything. And of course don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it. So let's just get into the video. Okay, I hope the lighting is not annoying you guys. We're gonna go with it because I'm all about natural lighting these days. The name of my business is called CANDLESBYIMAN.com. The website is www.candlesbyiman.com, and basically it's just my line of candles, and the purpose of my candles is to exist as a reminder that you can overcome anything. So I wanted to create reminder candles. I wanted the little flames, the little fires to exist as a sort of knock knock, you're going to be fine, you're strong, you're brave, you have power, you have love, you have faith, you have all of these things. You just have to believe in yourself to withstand, overcome, jump over any hurdles or any problems in your life, and I wanted my line to focus on that. I've said this numerous times in my previous videos, but I've always wanted to do something with my life to help people. I've always wanted to feel a sense of fulfillment with whatever I do in my life, to have a purpose, whether it's making videos to help anyone in need or just helping people. And I had no idea how I would do that because I'm not a billionaire. I can't donate money to charities. I'm filming. Oh, what happened? My mom's so cute. I was having a really difficult day this one Friday. I felt really down in the dumps, really depressed. I was basically crying the whole day because I just didn't know what I wanted to do with my life. You know, I went to school for a business degree, I worked at a bank, I was looking for internships, and I just felt lost. And I'm sure a lot of people my age, younger, older, are feeling the same way. Everyone has felt this way at one point or another. So one Sunday while I was making ramen noodles, this idea came into my head because candles have always had a very special place for me in my heart. And I'm sure a lot of people feel this way about candles, but it really just makes you happy. The aromatic scent and the little fires that you see, the little flames, really create a romantic and peaceful ambiance, and it really does bring peace and serenity to you, or at least to me. So I thought a startup cost for a candle business would not be too much, and I didn't want to just make any ordinary candle. I wanted to make something that meant something to me. I am Muslim and I do come from a Muslim background, and I've always found meaning in the word sabr. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right, but it is an Arabic word that means patience. However, it more accurately means perseverance. There are a lot of meanings to it, but basically the concept of the word sabr means wait, it'll come. Whatever you are praying for, whatever you're hoping for, whatever you think you deserve, it'll come. But it also doesn't mean wait. I actually read a quote the other day about the word that really inspired me, and I'm going to read it right now. The concept of sabr seems to be wait, it'll come, but I'm not sure that's true. I believe God wants us not just to wait, but to be happy while we do. Because when the good comes, you will feel silly for being in such a rush. You will see that God's timing is perfect, and all you need to do is trust. But when we ask for a beautiful patience, as he says, we must believe it'll be worthwhile. So don't just wait. Don't just wait, my friend. Smile. And it was a beautiful poem. I actually got it on Nominal's Instagram right over here. I'm not sure who wrote it. But anyways, the point of that is that word has always meant so much to me growing up and going through what I've been going through. I really had that word in my head when I was thinking about what kind of candles I would make. I came up with a design that I would include some of these inspirational, powerful, strong words on the candles in English but also in Arabic as a reminder. And I came up with these designs. So the candle that I'm about to show you is used. This is like one of the first candles I've made, and I've been burning this a lot. But I just want to show you the design. This is the first design I made, and yeah, it's pretty much almost gone. I've been burning this a lot. But basically, that's the Arabic word for Sabah, and then I put it in English. And then it means patience, and then this is the design I came up with, and then I just have my little branding on the corner right over here. So this candle is my favorite because it's my first, and it's just what inspired me to create this whole line. The scent is very, how do I explain it? Let me just read you the description. It's patience, a delectable aroma of sweet vanilla chestnut with hints of peppermint and eucalyptus. For the top notes of the scent, it's caramelized sugar and eucalyptus. For the middle notes, it's chestnut and clove. And for the base notes, it's cream, tonka bean, and peppermint. So it's a very peaceful, classic scent. It's my favorite scent. I've always loved vanilla and peppermint and clove. So I decided to make that my first and favorite candle personally. And I also have more candles. They're actually all sold out right now. Everything that I made, I shipped out. I made a lot today, which are currently in my basement right now. The ones that I personally have, I also have love. This one, if you can see it, this one is the love candle. That's love in Arabic. It says hub. I don't know how to pronounce this, guys, but it's hub. A little pretty rose, love, and then my branding again. And this scent is very fall inspired. It's like sensual, seductive. It's with made it with like apple, chestnut, maple, a little hint of vanilla. Just go read the description on my website. But so I started out with 6 candles, which is my classic collection, but I will be adding more. I do have Halloween candles and holiday candles coming up. But besides that, if you guys want to go check it out, I would so support. You don't have to buy anything, just go follow my page, check it out. If you want to buy, go ahead. Website is www.candlesbyiman.com. I really just want to bring inspiration to people, whether it's through these candles or not, whether it's just reading what I have to say on the website or just watching my YouTube videos, because I just think there's so much potential in all of us. You know, God, the universe has put so much potential and ability in every single one of us, and it's up to us to really activate that energy. And I hope that this kind of helps you in some way. Now I want to talk about how I found vendors, a domain, websites, marketing, all of that. So I just want to say I'm still in like my first 2 weeks of thinking of the idea, and I just launched my website 5 days ago, so I'm still in the early steps of figuring out what the hell I'm doing. But I thought that obviously the first step would be to create a website. I was thinking of just having an Instagram shop first, or like a Poshmark, Etsy, or Shopify, but I just really wanted to create my own brand. I wanted to build something that's mine, and I want it to be as official as it could be. So I went on GoDaddy.com and I purchased a domain, and I do recommend you try to find the best deals. There's GoDaddy.com, Wix.com that you could also purchase a domain. You could purchase a domain through Shopify. There are a lot of websites, Squarespace. Find whatever is appropriate for you, because every website builder is different, and you have to see what works for you. So you could usually buy your domain through your website builder, or you could buy your domain different website and just link it to your website. So I bought my domain through GoDaddy.com, but I built my website on Wix.com. However, I do regret paying for Wix because I actually have heard that Shopify is the best if you're selling products online, if you're mostly an e-commerce business, because it helps you a lot more in terms of marketing analytics, sales analytics, and all of that. However, I did already pay for the year subscription, so I'm gonna wait it out and then maybe switch to Shopify next year. Hopefully, if all things go well. You know what? I totally just went off, but actually, okay, the number one thing you have to do before you even purchase a domain and figure out what kind of website builder you want to use is what the hell do you want to sell, and you have to make sure that whatever industry you want to set your foot in is right for you. For example, I know nothing about protein shakes or weights or anything fitness related or video game related, so I would never want to sell a product that caters to that industry. So pick an industry that you love, whether it be cosmetics, fashion, home decor, whatever it is, just make sure you love it and you're going to enjoy working in that field. Because let me tell you, if you start a business, it is not a 9-to-5 job. It's 24 hours. So whatever you want to do, you have to make sure that you love it. So do your research, find your niche, figure out who's your competition, and just find out more information on where to buy these wholesale products from and who to market to. If it makes more sense profit-wise selling on Instagram first or Facebook versus building a website and paying for shipping costs. Definitely also think about how much of a startup cost you want to put into the business, whether it be $500, $1,000, $2,000. It's so important to keep track of all of your expenses. I prefer using Google Sheets, but a lot of people use Microsoft Excel to create a spreadsheet. It's so important to keep track of your operating expenses. For example, even if you have to drive 30 miles, even if you have to drive 20 miles to a specific wholesaler to purchase items, I would include the gas you spent, the money you spent purchasing gas to drive that far, all your material expenses, your marketing / advertising expenses, whatever expenses you have, even if it's just taking up a whole room in your house, I would keep track of that on an Excel spreadsheet. And there are so many formulas you could use on Excel to find out if you profit. It's also very important to keep track of these expenses because then you know how to price your product, because you don't want to price your product at a price that's equal or lower to how much you're spending because you're not breaking even. And you don't want to just break even, you want to make a profit. So it's important to keep track of all that, but first figure out a budget of how much money you want to spend to start the business. And then slowly just keep track of everything you spend. I think that's so important because again, a business is to make money, it's to profit, it's not to take a loss. So just make sure if you want to do that, you have a financial goal set in mind. Secondly, if you're looking to start your own business or your own brand, take care of the legal aspects. And what I mean by that is trademark your logo, trademark your slogan, trademark the name of your brand. If you need to purchase from wholesalers, you do have to buy a reseller's permit depending on which state you are in. It's a different price for each state, I believe. I am not purchasing from wholesalers as of yet, so I didn't have to do that. But for example, if you want to buy makeup or clothes from wholesalers and you want to resell them with your own little touch, your brand, you need to apply for that permit. Otherwise it's like hella illegal, don't do it. But also make sure you trademark and patent your products. You can go on uspto.gov so you can search trademarks, you can learn about the trademark basics, and you apply for a trademark. I believe it's like $70 for a trademark, but it's well worth it because if you blow up one day, there is literally legally nothing stopping someone from slapping your logo and your brand on one of their products and selling it as yours. So that is also very, very significant. So to create a logo and to design my designs, have my slogan and my brand, I did use a number of websites. I used PicMonkey.com. I did have a trial of Photoshop, so I played around with that. You really just have to play around with all of the programs you know how to use and find what works best for you. I also had a membership with Shutterstock.com, which are images that you can download for free and use them for your own business / personal use. However, it is only 10 images per month. You have to pay for everything else past the 10 images, and you have to pay a monthly fee. So also, if you're an artist, I am not an artist. I've tried. I'm not an artist. I can't draw. I can't paint. For me, it's like media and digital media for me. But if you're an artist, you know how to draw, freaking make your own designs and like just brand the shit out of your own designs, because if you're an artist, your work is unique. There's no one else that could do what you do, and you already have so many advantages. But I also did use a lot of websites, Pink Monkey, and everything that I just named. For labels, for shipping labels, I really recommend Avery.com. And I did purchase a printer because it started getting expensive, me ordering labels from Avery.com and then shipping to my house. So I recommend you have a printer at home and you buy label paper. But that depends on what product you're selling, because if you're selling lip glosses, you might need to buy one of those circuit label makers, but I won't get into that. Yeah, so after you figure out what you want to sell, after you've made all the designs, you made this slogan, this logo, just make sure that your business company, what was that? Just make sure that you have a purpose and you have a goal. Your goal just shouldn't be to sell and make money, make a profit and get rich, because that will take time. You need to have patience, literally. You need to have patience and you need to have faith and you need to believe that the work that you put into something that you love, it will pay off, but it will take time. You see so many things on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. Oh, I made $10,000 in one day. That's possible. That is very possible. But if you're just starting out and you're like me, you're not like a freaking famous YouTuber, you have to lower your expectations, but just be patient, keep working, never give up. You have to keep chasing what you want, keep marketing, keep posting on Instagram, keep posting on Facebook, Twitter, on your website. Just keep posting, keep marketing. I don't care if people get annoyed. You can also do email marketing, get people to subscribe to your website so that you can send them emails every time you have a sale. Depending on which website you use, Wix, Shopify, Squarespace, they all have that technology built into the website builder. So just keep marketing. Don't be scared to annoy people. You have to promote yourself. If people believe in what you're selling, if they believe in you and your products, they will buy your product. But yeah, I don't think I have that much anything else to say. I just wanted to put out what I learned so far. Again, it's only been like 2 weeks since I've started to do this. But I am really thankful for everything I've learned, and I'm thankful that this has become a reality. Thank you to everyone who's already supported. I really, really appreciate it, and I appreciate all of you who's watching this. I just want you guys to know, if you want to do something, if you want to start your own business, if you want to go to med school, if you want to go to law school, if you want to become a pilot, like anything is possible. So just want to put that out there. Also, my face is hella itchy. I recently broke out in hives because of I think it's I don't even know what I'm allergic to, but I don't know if you guys can see, like, I don't know, my face is itchy. Yeah, if you guys have any questions, this wasn't a very detailed video just because I don't have final vendors, shipping of companies that I want to use. I don't have a final list of what I want to use. Right now I'm just playing around, seeing what works for me, but I just wanted to make this video as an inspiration. Shameless promo. Go shop www.candlesbyiman.com. This is a lie, like, I actually don't have any gains. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more content. Your girl would really appreciate that. I am planning on doing a giveaway once I reach 2,000 subscribers, and it will be a good one. So be sure to subscribe.